Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rusli. I am from class 4E of English Education Department. In this video, I will explain about research step qualitative method. The first step is problem identification. Research always requires problem to be identified. This problem is usually preceded by a reflective question about current issue. There are three basic important of research problem. The first is on experience from workplace, and input obtained from other research. The course of research start from choosing a topic to understanding the reader's voices. Their topic is subject and area. Research problem, the first is issues of concern, a problem, and something that needs completion. The next step is literature review. Literature review is material that written in the form of books, journal that discuss topic that to be researched. Researcher literature review helpful pursue ideas, opinion, and criticism on the topic previously constructed and analyzed by scientists before. The importance of libraries for viewing and analyze the added value of the study compared to previous research. Unlike the quantitative tradition, qualitative method do not library in depth at the beginning research because it will be based on input of participant. Previous took from scientists will equip, expanded, or even improve. The next step is clarity of research objectives. The purpose of qualitative research is to capture meaning or meaning understanding. The diverse understand about qualitative research method and even symptom, fact, even reality or problem certain, and not to study or prove the existence of a causal relationship or correlation of a problem or event. The next step is data collection. Research data can be in the form of text, photo, numbers, stories, pictures, or artifact. Qualitative research data are usually in the form of text, photo, stories, image, and number calculation. Data is collected when the direction and research objectives are clear, and also if the data sources are informant or participant have been identified, constructed, and provide the required information. Number 5 is observation. In the qualitative tradition, data will not be obtained behind the desk, but had to flow in the field, to the neighbor, to the organization, to the community. The observed data can be in the form of a description of attitudes, behavior, action, or human interaction. Data observation can also be in the form of interaction within an organization or experiences of members in the organization. The next step is sample. The sample for the qualitative method is purposive, meaning that it is appropriate with the aim and objective of the research. Qualitative method sample not but on the number or representation, more for information quality and information richness owned by the information or participant. And number 7 is interview. Interview were conducted to obtain information which can be obtained through observation or questionnaire. This is because researchers cannot fully observe. Not all data can be obtained with observation. Therefore, researchers must apply question to participants. Very important question to capture people perception through opinion, feeling about phenomenon, even fact or reality. The next step is data analysis. Data analysis here means systematically arrange material from interview and observation, supervise them, and produce a true opinion, theory, or new idea. This is called the finding or finding. Finding in qualitative analysis mean seeking and find themes, pattern, concept, insight, and understanding. The next step is ethical issues. Interpretation means that development of ideas based on result, finding, and relate them to existing theory exist or with broader and deeper concept. Interpretation is done before is available. It is complete and clear because only then can interpretation be made. The researchers are also trying to find if there are any connection between what was forgotten before with the result of findings obtained. And the last step is data analysis. Report of research results are usually divided into several group parts. The first part is the title. Title is always placed the font. Title are usually all capital letter. After title followed by the author names. After that abstract, and on the next page about the title is said that the title should be given overview of the important ideas to be researched. Title not too far-fetched, not too imaginary or sound weird. The point is the title should be interesting, short, and consistent. I think that's all about my explanation about step qualitative methods. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.